Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub account. To create a GitHub account, first open a web browser and go to github.com. Click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner. Next, enter your Gmail address in the first input box, and then create a password for your GitHub account in the second input box. In the third input box, choose a desired username and select your country. If you would like to receive notifications about product updates, check the email notification checkbox. After filling in the required information, click on the Continue button. You will then need to complete a CAPTCHA to verify that you are not a robot. After that, click on the Submit button. GitHub will send an 8-digit OTP, one-time password, to your Gmail address. Copy the OTP code and paste it into the appropriate field, then click on the Continue button. Your GitHub account is now successfully created. You can log in using your Gmail address and the password you set. Thanks for watching this video.